Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You have the essentials: a Kai-certified pad and a compatible power adapter. First, plug the adapter into the wall and connect the wireless pad. Next, remove any thick or metal-backed case from your iPhone so charging can begin. Once done, place the phone face up and center it on the pad. Most pads show an LED or on-screen indicator. You're starting the charge now, so make sure the adapter is delivering power and the pad sits flat without wobble. Now focus on precise alignment and software assistance. Gently shift the iPhone until the charging indicator appears because the internal coil must overlap the pad's coil. Use the logo or camera as a guide. If you need faster, effective charging, enable low power mode to reduce background drain. Also, keep the phone cool. If it gets warm, the charger will slow down. Make sure there are no coins or credit cards between devices. Those disrupt magnetic coupling and complete your session by checking the on-screen battery percentage and leaving the phone until it reaches your target. When finished, remove the iPhone and unplug the pad if you won't use it soon. If charging fails or stops intermittently, first reboot the iPhone and reseat it on the pad. That often restores the handshake. If problems persist, swap the wall adapter, try a different Kai charger, and inspect for debris. This isolates whether the phone, pad, or adapter is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.